Good day, everyone. Today we are going to be also de-weeding where our cabbage and our spinach is. And even though it looks like it's a lot of weeds and everything, these are actually herbs that we have around here to help it boost the growth naturally. So we are going to be weeding that and harvesting some of our cabbage and our lettuce and spinach. Alright, so I am going to be harvesting some of our cabbage. Yeah, you guys can see how big the leaves are. So what we're going to do so it can keep on regrowing in the middle, right here, where we're going to get that good old round cabbage, I'm going to harvest some of the outer leaves so it can get more nutrients to the middle, right here. So we're going to be harvesting these today. Just snap them off. They're pretty easy to come off. Just like so. Look how big that leaf is. That better leaf. This is the leaf and this is my hand. That's how big it is. A lot of dirt on it. I've been weeding as well. So, I'm going to put that in the bowl. You can harvest the leaves and eat it same as you eat the cabbage. We got a little grasshopper in here. Get him out. Here we go. Get out. Go jump somewhere. All right. So let's harvest some more leaves, outer leaves. That's another one. More. This is just dirt, a little bit of dirt on it, just to be washed. And I'm harvest more of them. All of the outer leaves, that's what I'm going to be harvesting. Let's do these plants and I'll show you how it looks after we're finished doing the outer leaves. Alright, so far this is how our cabbage looks. This is what I left of the cabbage to regrow right here from this. And we have all of these leaves. Is a lot to wash and either eat or we can give it away to community and sell. So we're going to also be trimming this is spinach, taking the outer leaves out of here as well. And I'm going to cut the top of this right here and get the leaves and separate them before they flower. Because I can see it might flower. So we're going to, before that happens, we're going to take out the outer leaves and take off the very top. And continue doing our cabbage. Alright, so far I've picked the outer leaves of our cabbage. As y'all seen before, how big the cabbage was. We just harvested the outer leaves so they can regrow, continuously regrow. And now I'm going to be doing our spinach. Let's do that. Let's harvest some more. Alright, so far we've trimmed our spinach that was really big and have a lot of harvest here. And now I'm going to get a couple of things of lettuce. Harvest some lettuce. And it's only the month of May. So let's harvest some lettuce. Healthy lettuce, some healthy, organic, home-grown from seed to your plate lettuce. Let's harvest some more. So we're done harvesting some lettuce and spinach, which is here. And what I like doing, I like softening around it and adding a little bit when I do that, and do get a little, so the plant be shocked and get some more nutrients. I like giving it a little bit of fertilizer. So I'll put that around the base and the base of this plant and the base of this plant as well. And I'll do that for the rest of them. I softened around the base and give it some nutrients. This is our harvest. As you can see, our bed of carrots are getting really, really big. So we kind of lost track of the carrots because we had so much harvesting that we're doing in other areas. But these are actually about to flower. As you can see, you see the flower of these carrots. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pick these carrots out. These were just some extra carrots. We have another carrot bed in our garden. But these right here was with our broccoli that we harvested earlier in another video, and this is how they are looking now. The leaves are getting bigger, and so hopefully more growth will start coming. This is our cauliflower, several of those growing, and now I'm going to pick out our carrot and see how they look. Bismillah. All right. because we have so much leaf up here, it's taking a lot of the nutrients from the actual bottom of this carrot, so it came out a little bit shorter, but still it's usable. So I'm going to pick out some more, and also the tops of carrots is edible as well and very good for you. So let's pick out some more carrots. There's another one over here. Let's pick out. It's a pretty big one. It's pretty big. You see my hand. You see how big the carrot is. So we got a very large carrot right here. And let's do this one. This one also is flowering, so I can imagine the base not being as big. We waited a little bit longer in this bed because we were doing other parts. But right here, this is echinacea. So this is the coneflower. I'm going to pick out, these are just a few weeds around it we're going to pick out. Over there. And this is actually coneflower right here. This is another weed we're going to pick out. And then let's get some more carrots. See what we have here. All right, again, this is smaller since we have a lot of the leaf on the top that we also is going to be edible and usable. All right, let's get us some more carrots. Which over here, this is another weed, I believe. We're just going to take those out. Like I said, we do organic from 100% from seed gardening. And so every single thing is no pesticides, no things other than what we make in our home, in our own kitchen. All right, let's get this carrot out right here. See what we got. Oh, let's see. Tap it off the side a little bit. So this is a little big. Oh, okay, we got a pretty big carrot right here. And then a lot of the leaf. So let's clean these off. So I'm going to clean out this bed a little bit. And I'm going to put something else in its place. Put some seeds in here. So what we do is we plant right away. Once we harvest something, we generally plant something else right away, right in its place. And we do rotation. So we put something that does well after carrots in this spot right here. So we have continuous growth throughout the year, inshallah. Alright, so now since we picked all of our carrots out, what I'm going to do is this soil is very well fertilized in everything already. Oh, my camera's kind of blurry. Let me fix that up. Sorry about that, guys, but camera was kind of blurry. But like I was saying, I'm going to clean this bed up a little teeny bit. It's not that much stuff in it. It's already fertilized. I put some fertilizer in it, and I'm going to put some on top. What I'm going to be doing now, and I'm going to leave my coneflower. It's another one hidden right behind this cabbage and broccoli. Right down here. This is another coneflower right here. So anyway, I'm going to be planting some kale. So this is going to be planted right here, right along here. I'm going to do quite a bit and then pick them apart once they start growing, inshallah. So let's plant some of this kale. Alright, so we planted our kale here. So this is day one, first day of planting. And we put some of our fertilizer in here. Over here, as you can see, we have our winter peas are doing pretty good, alhamdulillah. Getting a lot of peas on here. So we'll harvest these in a few, maybe a week, to let them get a little bit more plump. But we're getting a lot of beans, alhamdulillah. Herbs. But we want to thank you all for watching today. Please stay tuned for our updates on some more of our harvest and vegetation and growth, and updates on our garden and self-sufficiency. Thanks for watching.